what's up, stackers? So this video is part 3 in a free mini course I've put together on how to make money with Facebook fan pages. If you haven't seen the first 2 videos, then I'll link number 1 right there in the right hand corner, which you should go through and watch, because that's how you're going to find the niche that you want to do this in. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I make videos on how you can start making money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now, this video, part 3, is all about finding content for your fan page. So let's dive in and I'll show you how. So once you've created your fan page, if you've gone through the other videos, you're going to know how to do this. So once you've created it, you want to put some content on your page. Now, there's 3 types of content that you want. First one is links, so that's links going to different websites. Second one is images, and the third one is videos. Now, I'm going to show you how to find all of them, and I'm going to save the best way to find this till nearer the end of the video. So the first way you can use is just Google. So you can use images on here. Make sure they're not branded, because it's only for a fan page. It's not going to do too much harm. So if I'm using Huskies, for instance, then it's not going to really do too much damage if I use some of these images for my fan page. So the first one is Google. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get some of these images so we can put some content on the fan page that we've just created. So I'm going to take that one, save that, save that as image 1. I'm going to put that in Husky folder as well, just so it makes everything a little bit easier. So 1, then I'm going to get a couple more. Oh, look at them. Maybe this one. You can see why the Husky niche is very popular. So 2. So that'll do for this one. Then the second source you can also use. Well, I say Google because, you know, you can Google anything and find images on the subject that you need it for your fan page. So the second one is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest, there's loads of stuff, loads of images that you can use. All you have to do is sign up, use the search bar right up the top. And for this instance, I put in Huskies. I put in funny Huskies or Huskies funny. This is going to pull up a load of images that I can use. You can also put in your search term plus memes. And that's going to pull up a lot of different memes that I can use in the Husky niche as well. So let's just take a couple of these. So let's take that one. Save image as 3. Then I'll get one more. But Pinterest is a really, really good resource you can use to find images for your fan pages. So let's just go back to results. Let's take one more. So let's take this one. Again, you are not going to get in trouble for doing this. So no, I don't want to copy image. I want to save. No, that should be 4. So Google and Pinterest are really good for getting images. Now you are also going to need videos for your fan page. Now a good place for this is YouTube. I'm going to show you another resource in a minute. But if you're downloading videos from YouTube for your Facebook fan page, you want to make sure they're really short, and you also want to make sure they're not branded. Okay, so if you use a video, you want to make sure if you watch that video, you wouldn't know who to give credit to because there's no branding. So you're looking for generic viral videos in your niche. Make sure they're not branded and you don't know who you'd have to give credit to. That way you know you're going to be safe with using those types of videos. Now if you're going to use Google for this, you can use savefrom.net to download the videos. Now we need videos, we need viral videos, because that's how we're going to build up your following in your niche or your fan page. And you're going to learn how to do that in a later video. But finding generic viral videos is essential for this method. So that's one way you can find it. Now the next way you can find content for your fan pages, and is probably the best way, is this way. Now in an earlier video when we created this fan page, we also went and liked other fan pages in your niche and liked them as your page. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link that right up here in the right hand corner so you can go through and watch it. Also, if you're liking this free mini course, then drop a comment down below letting me know whether you like it or not. So if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that I already liked some pages. I don't know why the other ones haven't popped up in the husky niche. Now why did we do this? Well, it's to find content. So if we scroll down to just... Okay, so it's not here, but normally, it must be because this is a brand new page, normally round about here you can click to see his news feed. So if we just go over to the StackinProfit, you can see here, see pages feed. So this must be because it's a new fan page. But when you like pages as your page, you're going to be able to get this just here. So see pages feed. Now if you haven't got that, like I haven't on this page, you can simply come up to the URL, take that bit away and put in pages_feed. Now like I said, this is going to pull up all your news feed for the pages you have liked in your niche. So why is that important? Well, most of these pages are going to be using generic pictures, videos, images that you can use on your page as well. So as you can see, I've liked this page as my page, and now I can see this news feed. So these are images that I could potentially use on my own fan page. Okay, so do you see the power of this? So you can just scroll through your news feed or your page's news feed and find images and videos you can use. As you can see, this is a video that I could use on my fan page. Now let's see how much engagement this has had. So this has had 33,000 views. Now with the trick I'm going to show you, well, it's not really a trick, it's just running viral videos as ads on Facebook. I can get super cheap engagement and build up a following by doing this. But again, you need viral videos in that niche. Now with this video, as you can see, you wouldn't know who to give credit to if you had to give credit. And there's no obvious branding with this video. So let me just play that again. As you can see, you wouldn't know who to give credit to, would you? So this is a great example of a viral video in the husky niche. Now you get these in every single niche. And by doing this, liking pages in your niche as your page, you can just scroll through your page's newsfeed and find a shit ton of content that you can use on your page. So if I just scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see more content that I can potentially use myself. As you can see, another video there, another video, brilliant image. So the more pages you like as your page, then the more content you're going to have in your newsfeed for you to use on your own page. Now, In the next video in this series, in this free mini course, I'm going to show you how to schedule all of your content on your fan pages and some tools that you can use for automation. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you in the next video.